very serious right now.
We're baking with Bella.
I'm so serious.
You're so serious. Do you think it's recording? Do you think Eli's doing it?
Yes.
Yeah, it's recording.
Awesome. Okay, what are we making, Bella?
Okay, we're making a blueberry buckle coffee cake. It's a long title.
Blueberry buffle?
Buckle.
Buckle.
Okay, so I want to show you guys how to grease your pan properly so you don't get on the floor or make yourself slip. I like to do it over the sink, so it's like, so you don't make it so it's all greasy on the floor. So I like to do it over the sink because it's better. Never do it over the stove, or also, never put flammable things next to the stove.
Well, that's small. Just tell that. Small.
Kind of grease it thoroughly, but you don't want to make it so it tastes completely like the grease around the cake. So, yeah.
So then what do you do, Bella?
So now that it's all greased, you could also flour it or put sugar on it. But you could also just leave it there without doing anything
We
to it.
set it aside for now.
Yes, okay. So,
Actually, it just says grease a 9x9" pan. It doesn't even say to flour it.
maybe we could put flour on it or sugar.
We
So
could
if
do
you want it to be sweeter, you could do sugar. But if you want it to be like, more bitterish, you could put like flour on it.
Maybe I'll go get the sugar. You keep going. So what's the first ingredient?
Okay, so I want to make the batter first. Not the batter, I'm going to make the topping first because that is fun and goofy and weird, like me. And it's only a few ingredients and that's easy. Including cinnamon. So you want to put it on put it on before you put the oven in the cake. The cake in the oven. I just messed up, I just twisted up my own words. Great. I'm crazy. I just realized this is brand new.
Oh, is it brand new?
Yeah.
So how much cinnamon?
Okay. Let me look at a helpful paper.
Too much sugar.
Okay. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Synonym. Okay, 1/2 teaspoon of synonym.
Yeah.
Okay, see how my Aunt Melody's doing it? Perfect.
So this is how you flour a pan.
I'm just gonna do it over the bowl. And that's like pretty much. Oh, that's my oven.
Oven's ready. So a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 cup of margarine.
You should do butter instead of margarine?
It's better.
Basically, yeah.
So then what else?
Okay, so now we're gonna do some 1/2 cup of sugar. 1/2 cup of sugar. Oh, that's 1/3.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
There's
that
1/4. Here's 1/2 cup. Yay!
Oh my goodness.
We found it.
I was wrong.
Oh, we all are at some points. It's funny.
Yeah.
Whoop!
That's okay.
Who likes more sweets? On our lovely blueberries.
So then what do you do?
Okay.
1/2 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of flour.
Okay. Just gonna start stamping at this butter.
So 1/3 cup of flour.
Wait, yes. I got it. Whoop.
It's a little extra.
Who cares? We have extra sugar, so
Extra sugar, extra flour.
I'm gonna mix
extra
this.
topping.
I'm gonna stamp that butter with my spoon.
And 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/4 cup of margarine, but we used butter. So you just mix it together. Let's add a little more.
Add a little more cinnamon, yeah.
That's so funny. We were thinking the same thing.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mix this all together until the butter's like completely blended in. So you can't see any chunks anymore, like.
And we set it
chunks right here.
aside.
We set it aside and then we'll start making the batter.
So let's set it aside. And it looks like this.
Yeah, but it still has butter chunks in it.
Butter chunks. It's all good.
Butter. Okay, we're good now.
Okay. We're gonna go to the
A beautiful batter.
coffee cake itself.
Yeah, okay. So here's our lovely sugar that I wanted to eat.
Combined flour, sugar, baking powder,
Okay.
and salt.
Okay, this is 3/4 cup of sugar.
That's just the stove.
Okay, and then this is
2 cups of flour.
Shake it.
Where's your baking powder?
Okay, beautiful baking powder. How much baking powder do we need?
2.5 teaspoons. 1/2. So
I'll do the half right now.
so it's 2 of those is 1. So just keep going.
Just do like
Half,
half.
another half, another half,
Math.
another half,
So much math.
and 1 more.
So much math.
2.5. And then where's your salt? 3/4 teaspoon is salt. So just a really full 1/2 teaspoon. Make it super full. There you go. That's good.
See how it's like not like, ugh.
So it's all mixed.
So it's like smooth.
Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt together in a large bowl. Add shortening
Shortening is, we're gonna use butter instead.
and cut in with a pastry blender. How much butter?
Instead of using a pastry blender, you can also
A
use.
1/4 cup of shortening, which is about
Okay, I'm gonna
this
teach them
much.
a special trick that I learned from my culinary teacher.
Okay, so this is basically,
Wait, I want to show them something.
okay,
Okay, so instead of a pastry blender, you can use 2 forks and you can mash together with that. Or you can use 2 knives. Anything that is able to cut butter easily makes it mix into the batter.
okay. So this is close to a 1/4 cup.
Yeah, let's go with that. Beautiful. Let's all add all the wet ingredients in first. Okay. 3/4 cup of milk, but I can't have milk.
Wait, before you add that, add shortening and cut in with a pastry blender until
Okay.
flour mixture
So-
resembles fine pebbles. So you blend it until
So-
it resembles fine
What
pebbles.
I was about to say.
Sorry.
So I can't have milk, neither can any of my family. So we're using almond milk instead. And thank the Lord for inventing almond milk. And
Veggie almond milk.
just almond milk, just plain almond milk from Trader Joe's.
I saw someone on Kelly and Ryan make almond milk.
Nice. I'm a widow and I love it.
Can I show you how I learned how to do it?
Sure.
You do it this way,
So like I
with 2
said,
knives.
we could also use knives.
Here, we're gonna get closer. So let's show them again.
Ready? I'm gonna do it. Oh.
You do it.
Okay. Am I doing it right? I've never
You
really.
were doing it right. You slice them.
Slice, slice, slice.
Cross each other. Can I show you?
Go ahead, do it. It feels like it's in chunks. Oh, too big.
Like they're crossing each other. So then what happens?
Okay, so it's supposed to be in like little, tiny little chunks. It's like the directions said.
Then you beat the egg into
Oh, I have the egg with me
the milk.
in my apron pocket.
Oh my. So you
Okay, you always want to put it inside of a bowl, and so you get any shells out if any falls in.
Or a bunch of YouTubers drop their cameras.
Oh, do they?
Some blow them up.
How funny. Here, I'll take the egg.
I'll wash my hands right now. Okay, time to put the egg in. Whoa!
Here. No, you mix this together and you add the milk. You add the milk to it before you add it to the flour mixture.
Do I see it? Okay. Ready? Time for
Beat
the 3/4
egg.
cup of milk. Woo!
And it says beat egg and add to milk. Blend egg milk mixture with flour mixture.
Oh, I was supposed to add the egg to the milk, but same thing, same difference.
Same difference.
And this looks like condensed milk.
Yes. Okay, so now you
Time to pour it into a batter, which right now looks like weird, gooey stuff. And start mixing our beautifulness. Whisk, 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 whisk. It's not right. Okay. I'm a weirdo and I love it. Woo! It's turning kind of doughy. Oh, we have to add our 1.5 cups of blueberries.
when this is done. being mixed.
We're supposed to use frozen blueberries, but this is kind of melted, so I want to see the way. Yeah, I don't steal that money. Okay, 1.5 cups of blueberries. Actually, that was a good note to say. Blueberries. 1.5 cups. Okay, we're gonna go to yeah, the whole bag of probably. Okay, actually, I'm gonna use 2 cups of blueberries because the more the merrier.
Where did you
More
grab the
than right.
blueberries from?
And you barely stir it in. You gently stir it in.
Because blueberries are.
Add berries and stir briefly. You pour in the prepared pan. Okay, it looks pretty brief.
I want to mix it more. It's so hurt.
So now that's good, Bella girl. Right? I know, it's so tempting.
I want to lick the fork. Can I lick it, please?
Go ahead. Now you have to get a new fork.
Can I lick it?
And Eli
No.
have a lick? Okay, now what do we do, Bella? You get a new, take one of your other forks.
Tastes too sugary.
Yeah, because there's sugar in it. Genius. Genius. Child.
Put one in there, ant in there. The next day, all that sugar will be gone.
Here,
It's my
I'll
one
get a
fat
fork.
ant. Look it. It's like stuck in there.
That's why you should smack the bowl.
It's just smacked the bowl. I'm weird and I love it. Why are you using the fork that we licked? That's
It's not the same fork. It's a different one.
a different fork you like.
Because we don't want to spread it. Look at the
Jamming is.
Why is it all pink in
Oh,
there?
and thank you to Heather, one of my friends. She's awesome. She let me borrow this pond.
she did.
Well, our mom's friend.
Whoops. Hold on. Let's get a spatula
Spatula. Okay, I'll get it.
to get all that yummy batter. Okay, you go ahead and I'll spread this up.
Okay, now we're gonna pour our beautiful.
Oh, the topping goes on
Topping.
before you cook it?
Yeah. I'm gonna carefully do this so it doesn't get all over everything. But like, you also want a lot, but you don't want a lot. It's okay. You know. Pretty sure like 45 minutes.
40 to 45, yep.
Pretty sure.
Yep, you're right.
I am.
Wait, isn't there more?
I know, but I'm gonna shake it out, try to get it all in the whole pan, and we'll add some more.
Okay, can I do that?
I'm a control freak like you.
I know, here, you go ahead.
Just pour the whole thing on. Shake it off, oh, oh, shake it off. I'm a weirdo and I love it.
Okay, sweet girl. Time to put it in the oven.
I'm a wheel person.
Okay, you always want to do it for, like if it says like 30 to 35 minutes, I always like to put in, especially if it's cookies, or brownies, for 5 minutes less. Check on it, and because you don't want it to burn. That really sucks when it happens. Okay, so you always want to put it in for 5 minutes less.
Then what it says in the recipe.
Yes, and then check on it.
I like drawing the smoke in the air.
We all do, guys. We all do.
Did you set the
See you
timer?
in 40 to 45 minutes. See?
I'm recording.
I told you guys. You lift up the thing, put it on there.
So
And
then
one
what do
for
you
me.
do?
Wow, you like.
I just got the biggest one.
So generous.
Yes, I know.
At least it didn't twin.
Always get one for yourself.
Ooh, pretty.
I don't trust you, Eli. Eli Matthew. Bella Matthew.
All right.
Close.
Want to say goodbye, Bella?
Hey, I can't really do the piece.
Bye.
Peace!
Have a good day.
Be the blessing.
Oh. Be the blessing.
Bye.
Love you, Mom. Bye.
Saying goodbye.
So embarrassing.
together.
She loves me so much. It's my fault.
Let's put the egg in.
We can edit that out. Everything.
Okay, now do that.
What we do when the camera's off? Lick the bowl.
Lick the bowl.
My precious. Wait, ready? Ready? This is my patent technique. Wait. All you see is here. Like, take off your glasses. No.